Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Initial Drift online game for free on PC. So here follow the steps. So open Google Chrome and in Google Chrome search for Initial Drift online and you will see this Steam website. So click on this link, save 100% on Initial Drift online on Steam. When you click on this, it will open the Steam website. Scroll down and here you will see get Initial Drift online free to keep when you get it before 18 January. So you can see minus 100% discount. So click on this add to account and then you can click on yes, Steam is installed. If Steam is not installed, you can click on no, I need Steam, and then you can install the Steam and then click on yes, Steam is installed. Click open Steam. It will then open the Steam and here you can see install button. So click on install and then go to library and here you can see Initial Drift online game is getting installed on my PC. So by this way you can download and install Initial Drift online game on PC via Steam for free. So that's all for this video.